back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already. If you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Omgherhair. This is what the packaging looks like. And I haven't opened this up yet, so I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So of course you get your unit in this satin bag. Also included a wig grip with the little lace part. Also included this little scarf thing. And then they have this HD wig cap and then a rat tail. Showcasing a kinky straight ombre bob. It definitely has a little smell to it from the coloring job. But this is what it is looking like. You can definitely see that texture, and that color looks absolutely gorgeous. Nice and full at the ends. It's a 5x5 closure. This one also is 10 inches in length and 180% in density. Now with this cap construction, you get your 2 combs on the side. You also get a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and the removable elastic band. This is what it looks like, and she is definitely thick. Okay, this one is thick. Let's get into this hairline. I feel like the hairline on this is looking good. I don't think I'm gonna have to go in and do any extra plucking. I feel like there's like a light bleach to the knots, but can I see them? Yeah, but I feel like once I add powder in, it's gonna be fine. So just gonna get up close so you guys can see that. And then the parting space area, this already comes parted as a left side part. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it as a left side part, but I'm also wondering if I move this to the side, like am I gonna have to tussle with this hair? Like is it gonna be so thick that I'm not really gonna be able to move it around? Because she's full at the top too, so I might just leave this be. Okay, we want to work smarter, not harder. But you could definitely part this in the middle if you choose to, so you're not just stuck with a side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit together. This is definitely going to be a fun look. I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. So just remember the before, okay? Look at the before, and then I'll be back with the after. this is the final look of this bob. I feel like the style came all together. However, I do have some thoughts about it. Now, I did style this unit straight out of the box. I feel like if you have somewhere to go and you don't want to have to worry about the hassle of washing it and you just want to flat iron it, cut the lace, put a little powder in, I think it'll be fine. My only issue was because of the color on this unit, I had my heat up turned pretty high once I got to the back area, and the smell came off really strong. Now, I'm not getting that like funky corn chip smell that some wigs be giving off. It's definitely not that type of smell. You can just tell that this unit has been colored. So I just want you guys to be aware of that, especially if you are sensitive to smells. When it came to flat ironing this hair, I had to run through certain sections a few times just to get it straight. And I feel like it didn't take the texture away at all. Now, once I moved the hair out of the way, you could definitely see more texture back here. And then it's a little bit straighter up here. I also had to go through the very top of the unit with the hot comb, and I had to go in between the parting space area to get it to look this flat, because if I would have let it be, it definitely would have gave a little bit of humpage, and that's not what I want at all. It's also a glueless install, so I just used some olive oil mousse. And I feel like it laid the lace down really good. I only had to put like just a little bit of powder. I mostly focused on putting powder in the parting space area. And you guys seen I stayed with the left side because I did not want to have to fight the hair to get a right side part. Now, if I was to rewash this, then I would definitely move the parting over to the right side. This actually fits me really well. You guys know I have a small head with the strap adjusted and then the elastic band. I don't feel like this is going to slide off my head, but if I'm going outside, then you guys know I'm going out with some extra reinforcements, whether it's bobby pinning this down or adding the wig grip underneath it, so I can really not worry about it going anywhere. I feel like they did a good job with plucking out the front of the hairline. I didn't have to go in and do anything extra. You guys also seen I did not go in and add any swoops because I didn't feel like it was needed. With this much hair, it's pointless. Now, this is also laying very comfortable on my head. The tracks on this side aren't super thick, so I didn't have to worry about covering up that little piece of track when I cut it off. It still blended in well to my skin. Shedding and tangling goes, I'm not getting any snags at the moment. I probably can foresee some in the nape area. And then shedding during the styling process, I didn't receive much shedding at all either. I did have to go in with my Sleek and Shine serum because of this texture. It can come off looking dry, but I tried not to be really heavy with it because I didn't want it to feel limp. I still wanted some movement and body in it. Now, because of how thick this is, you know, you're not gonna get too much body, but you're gonna get enough body, so just be careful with the serum. But I do suggest you put some in there, especially to handle the flyaways and also any frizziness. Love me some kinky straight in the fall and winter time, but this is going to be definitely more towards the winter time because of how full it is. Unless it gets cold in your area, you guys know I'm in Texas, so winter don't really be it really don't get that cold for too long at all. So I would definitely break this out when it gets a little bit colder, so you don't feel like you have too much going on your head, especially if you're going to be bundling up with sweaters, jackets, hats. Then this might be a lot for you. The color on this is really nice. I do wish it was blended up a little bit more towards the top, at least on this side and just like this area. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Are you feeling this bob wig? If you are feeling this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.